I feel that everything I put out into the universe has an entertainment value to it. Whether you'll learn something and it's fun at the same time, or you'll be able to forget your worries, forget your troubles, because what I'm putting out there is just fun. If there is a serious matter that maybe I feel like needs to be talked about, I will find a way to incorporate that into an interview or a social media posting surrounding something in regards to entertainment or the entertainment industry. So I believe my statement that I stand for entertainment plays into all three of those factors.